Assalamualaikum class, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Class, let's start today's lesson, but before that we will discuss about the date and the day. Yes, it's Azab. What's the date today? 22nd August 2025. So, we'll say 22nd of August 2025. आज क्या तारीख है मिरहा? 22 अगस्त 2025. कौन सा इस्लामिक मंथ है ये? यस, हमाद. सफ़र, शाबाश. क्या तारीख है आज? 27. और क्या कहेंगे हम? 27 सफ़र 1447 हिजरी. 27 सफ़र 1447 हिजरी. Okay, what's the day today? Yes, Uram. What's the day today? Today is Friday. Very good. And in Urdu we say Juma, and in Arabic we say Yomul Juma. Okay class, now let's discuss about the weather. Yes class, look outside and see how's the weather outside. Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? It's rainy? It's foggy? How's the weather? You can see the sun in the sky. So today is sunny outside. Okay class, let's start today's lesson. Yes class, open page number 26 of Heinemann Explore Science Grade 1. Okay. Today we will read about the properties of materials. Properties of materials. Things to learn. Some properties of materials. Today we will learn about the properties of an elastic band, the materials which float on water, a magnet, some materials which are attracted by a magnet. So we will learn about the properties of materials. To test the properties of a material, yes, we will test them with the help of a magnet. To share your ideas, yes, we will do all these things, and then we will share our ideas whether which materials are attracted by a magnet and which materials are not, which materials float on water and which materials sink. Yes class, magnets. What are magnets? Do you have any thing coming to your mind when I'm talking about a magnet? Yes, here is a magnet shown to you. You can see here is the magnet, and here are some thumb pins. The thumb pins are attracted by this magnet, so these pins are made up of iron. Iron is easily attracted by a magnet. Some materials are magnetic. A magnet will attract them. Some materials are magnetic, so they are attracted by a magnet. Okay class. Class, I have a magnet in front of me, as I've told you that some materials are magnetic. Some materials are magnetic. A magnet will attract them. Yes, I have a magnet in front of me. You can see it has two poles, a north pole and a south pole. Which materials are attracted by this magnet? Do you have any idea? Iron materials. Very good. Those materials which get rusty easily are attracted by this magnet. If I will get it closer to an object that is made up of iron can easily be attracted by magnet. You can see easily the iron is attracting this magnet. Very good. Okay. You can see it's reflecting as well. You can see my image in this object. So this object is made up of iron and a magnet is attracting it easily. Okay class, here are some other objects in front of me as well, which has a piece of wood, a piece of plastic, some rubber bands, a marker and a pencil. We will check the power of this magnet, that other materials are also attracted by this magnet or not. Okay, let's test wood. When I will take this wood nearer to the wood, it will not attract it. The magnet is not attracted by the wood. So it's not a metal. This is made up of plastic. When I will move it nearer to the plastic, it's not attracted by it. So plastic is also not attracted by the magnet. Yes, here is a pencil. Pencil is also made up of wood, and you see there is no attraction of magnet between them, between these two. There is no attraction between magnet and this pencil. Okay, here are rubber bands. Okay, you tell me, these rubber bands will attract this magnet or not? These rubber bands will not attract this magnet. Very good. Okay class, so we have tested the magnet on different materials. Okay, now we will move to the next thing, that is floating. Some materials float on water. कुछ क्या होते हैं मटेरियल्स, पानी के ऊपर तैरते हैं. सम मटेरियल्स सिंक. कुछ मटेरियल्स क्या होते हैं, वो पानी के अंदर डूब जाते हैं. अभी हम ये भी देखते हैं कि कौन से मटेरियल्स पानी में डूब जाते हैं और कौन से मटेरियल्स पानी के ऊपर तैरते हैं. ओके क्लास, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ वाटर बीकर, अ वाटर कंटेनर, and it has water in it. Okay, now what do? We will see which material floats and which material sinks. Okay, now first of all I have this cotton ball. I have told you that fabric that we wear is made up of cotton. This is the cotton which processed into threads and then fabric is being made. So now I am going to put it inside the water and you can see, is it floating or not? Is class, is it floating? Yes, very good. It is floating. So the cotton ball is a material which floats. Now we have a wood, a piece of word and we will see whether it sinks or floats. Very nice. You can see it's floating. All the ships we have, all the boats that we have are made up of which material? They are made up of wood. You see? Yes, class, you can see that the wood is floating on the water. So, the next object is a piece of plastic. Yes. It sinks. You can see it's touching the bottom of the beaker. So, it sinks easily. It's not floating. Okay, here is another thing, another material, that is these rubber bands. I have them in my hand and now I am going to put them in the beaker. Yes, very good. They are floating. Yes, class, the other material that I am going to put in this water beaker is piece of paper. The piece of paper is also floating on the water. So we have put different type of materials into the water beaker and we had a little experiment that which material sinks and which material floats. Okay, so let's move forward. I'm putting this water beaker aside. Okay, now what we have to do, things to do: test the properties of our range of materials. Yes, class, we have done this experiment multiple times as we tested the properties of a plastic bottle and a fabric, a book, a paper. We have tested their properties. As of this paper, I have told you that this book is made up of which material? It is made up of paper. You can see it's very smooth, it's not rough, it is shiny. You can see the pages are easy to fold, they are bendy, they are light in weight. So we have tested the properties of different materials. Test them with a magnet. Does it attract them? Yes, I have tested so many materials in front of you. For example, wood, plastic, fabric, iron, and stone is the only thing that was left. But stone is also not attracted by the magnet. So we have tested the different materials with a magnet. Okay, put them in water. Do they float or sink? Yes, we have done this activity as well. We put different types of materials into the water and then we tested whether they float or sink. Test them by dropping them. Do they bounce? Okay, now we will see which material is bouncy or which material is not. Okay, here is a cotton ball. Let it bounce. Is it bouncy? Yes, it's a little bit bouncy. You can see it's not bouncing back, but it's little bit bouncy. Okay, is it bouncy? No, it's not bouncy. Okay, a piece of wood. No, it's not bouncy, it's hard. You can see it's not bendy. You cannot bend it easily, you cannot chew it easily, you cannot break it easily. So It's not bouncy. Yes, the other thing is keys made up of metal. Are they bouncy? No, they are not bouncy. Okay, any example coming to your mind that bounce back when you hit it? Anything coming to your mind? You can see it here on this page as well. The picture is on this page. Yes, a ball. A ball bounces back when you hit it with the force. Okay? Are they shiny? Yes, class. The things that the materials that we sorted, some materials were shiny, some were not. The shiny ones were metals. The shiny, I had shown you that this is made up of metal, this object, and you can see here is a reflection of me in this object. It is made up of metal. So metals are always shiny. Can you see your face in them? As I've shown you that you can see my face in that metal object. What other test can you do? Yes, we have tested it with the help of a magnet. When we will bring this object nearest to the magnet, it will attract the magnet. You can hear the sound. Okay, now I wonder how stretchy is an elastic band. Okay, class, it is an elastic band, and what is a stretchy thing? Stretchy is to stretch something to its limit until it breaks. Sorry. Okay, here is an elastic band, and you can stretch it to a limit, and after that limit it will breaks. So how stretchy is an elastic band? Elastic band is having an elasticity. Elasticity means इसके अंदर लचक होती है. ठीक है, आप उसको जब हाथों से खोलने की कोशिश करेंगे तो आप आराम से उसको खोल सकते हैं. बट अगर आप इसी तरीके से वुड को, अगर आप इलास्टिसिटी के उसको स्ट्रेच करने की कोशिश करें वुड के पीस को, तो क्या आप उसको स्ट्रेच कर सकते हैं? नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, सो इलास्टिक बैंड को आप उस हद तक स्ट्रेच कर सकते हैं जितनी उसके अंदर एक लिमिट होती है. अगर उस लिमिट से पार आप चले जाएंगे तो वो इलास्टिक क्या हो जाता है? टूट जाता है. Okay, here comes dig deeper. Find out how boats can be made from materials that sink. Okay, अब हमें पता है कि जो हमारी बोट्स हैं वो किस चीज़ से बनी होती हैं. दे आर मेड अप ऑफ वुड. ठीक है, अगर उसको हम मेटल से बना दें, ठीक है, किसी भी ऐसी मेटल से, जैसे हम बना दें उसको आयरन से, ठीक है, तो पहली तो बात है आयरन क्या हो जाता है? आयरन रस्टी हो जाता है ईज़िली. क्या जो है उसके साथ प्रॉब्लम आती है कि रस्टी हो जाता है. दूसरी बात ये है कि ये सिंक कभी भी नहीं फ्लोट कभी भी नहीं करेगा. ये क्या हो जाएगा? सिंक करेगा. तो हम अगर जाना चाहते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पानी में तो पॉसिबल नहीं. डिड यू नो नॉट ऑल मेटल्स आर मैग्नेटिक. मैग्नेटिक मीन्स attracted by a magnet. So they are telling us that not all metals are magnetic. For example, I have given you example of iron that it is attracted by a magnet. So what you have to do, you will find out on your own about those metals which are not magnetic. Okay, you can use Google, you can ask your parents, and you will find out about those metals which are not magnetic. Okay class, let's note down your homework. Okay class, note down your homework. That is unit number 3, sorting and using materials. Question number 4 is name some materials that are not attracted by a magnet. what you have to do, you have to write the names of some materials that are not attracted by a magnet. इसकी बहुत सारी एग्जांपल्स हैं, इनमें से कुछ मैं आपको बताती हूँ और बाकी आप खुद सोचें कि उनमें कौन कौन सी मटेरियल्स ऐड हो सकते हैं. प्लास्टिक, फैब्रिक and stone. These are some materials that are not attracted by a magnet, and rest of others will be selected by you and you will write them in your notebooks. Okay class, that is all from today's lesson. We will meet inshallah tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz.